7-0, did someone say they got Stinger set up on the show before? Yeah, if you can get it set up, King George Elliott McGregor. Speed is 73, we're lane 2. Approaching the lights, you can see what they're on. It's going to get approached by traffic. I'll skip to the near side, skip lorry, stand by. We're approaching the roundabout. ATS is green. Stand by for direction. Okay, it's not one, not one. It's not two, not two.
Fending in.
We'll try and keep him on to get him down to treble 4. It's not three, not three. It's the 4th exit, 844 southbound. Someone's able to give commentary a shout, see if they've got anybody up or just 3. We're just going to try and stop the vehicles. Go!
Hold steady! You stupid idiot! Hold steady! You stupid idiot!
Now!
Sorry to try to call.
For fuck's sake!
Just get taxed. So if I make 50 in credit card and 50 in cash, I walk out of there with $100 in my hand. Just get taxed. So if I make 50 in credit card and 50 in cash, I walk out of there with $100 in my hand.
There's somebody famous in this fucking van right here.
You just hit that.
Instant karma. Dude ran a red light and a cop got him. Oh, that is great.
People, let's go try. You guys, living here is gonna be fun all the time. Make the entire apartment a fort. I'll get more blankets.